Your mission: sell these silk scarves while dribbling a ball.
Easy. Fashion and football are my thing.
These scarves are so soft, like alpaca dreams.
Bro, wrong animal. We're in Uzbekistan, not Peru. Buy this carpet. Ah, it just tackled me. Is this part of the performance?
Achoo, too much paprika.
I'll take 3 jars. Very aromatic.
Limited edition CR7 silk. Guaranteed to boost speed.
You look like a fashionable onion.
How many carpets do I need to unlock my final form?
At least 12. And a flying one.
You two are chaos, but somehow profitable.
So, do we unlock the next passport stamp? Silk, spice, and soccer. What a combo.
Next time I'm wearing goggles.
You, yes, you, don't just watch. Like and share before I put paprika in your popcorn.
I liked it before it was cool.
I subscribed twice, on 2 phones.